We are out on a ride heading towards Goa, and I have another 11 versus riders from our group. So all of us are heading out and going to South Goa, to be precise. And it's a wonderful morning with a lot of mist, fog, all of it covered across the fields, etc. So we've got started from Bangalore, that is from the Nelamangala toll gate, at about 5 a.m. in the morning, and it's right now 7:15 a.m. and we've covered say about close to 150 kilometers, and right now we are moving towards the Vani Vilas Dam. And the plan today is to of course ride to Goa, but on the way we are going to visit Jog Falls, as we are riding via Shimoga. So that's the plan. And in terms of the breakfast, we are yet to pull over for breakfast, and there is a spot in Hosadurga. I think it is about 40 kilometers from where we are right now. So that's where we are going to have the breakfast, and then move further from there. Alright, good morning. Hello all. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. I'm right now near to Chitradurga. So it's a group of versus Bangalore riders. We are riding out to Goa. So it's a 4-day trip to Goa, and this particular ride has been planned for quite some time, and we have about close to 12 riders along with us, of course on different versus models, and there is one Vulcan as well here, and yeah, that's my bike. We are riding through the forest. I think this place is called Churadi, a small town, and there is a forest range immediately after that. Beautiful scenic with a lot of trees on both the sides. Slightly warm weather, but can't complain too much. So yeah. So why Goa, right? So this particular ride was planned about 3 months ago. There's a long story to it actually. This ride was planned 3 months ago, and we had about close to 25 or 30 participants, right? So apparently last month it was called off by the admin of the versus Bangalore group due to personal reasons. So that's where I think couple of our friends from the group stepped up and took initiative to regroup, and we had about close to 12 people who were interested to travel. So the Goa is actually going to be a versus South India meet actually. So there are riders coming from Telangana and Tamil Nadu as well. So there is a small get together planned where we can get to see or meet the riders from the other state. So that's the ride all about, right? And whatever the reason, my friends, whatever the reason, right, it's important that you get to ride, get to explore places, and break the monotony. So that was a nice curve. Looks like it's a huge forest. Looks yummy.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ ಅನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಇದು.
ಹಾಂ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮಸಾಲ ಸರ್.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ. So Asgardian, who's an expert, says that ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So we are done with our breakfast, and then we got rolling back on the roads. So yeah, it's a lovely day. It's just been little bit sunny, and precisely 9 a.m. in the morning, and very pleasant weather to ride around, and beautiful cultivation and fields on both the sides. And this road is going to lead to Shimoga. So from Shimoga we are going to go ahead and visit the Jog Falls, and then proceed towards Goa. So what a view, guys, what a view. Mesmerizing, beautiful. You wouldn't get to see all these things sitting at home, right? Amazing. Look at it. Look at the view. It's beautiful, isn't it? Totally enjoying it. So far I had tanked up in Bangalore, and let's see so far how much I've done. So far I've traveled 265 kilometers. So we are more than 1/3 distance covered to Goa. So it should be pretty much another 375 to 400 kilometers totally. So I did check up on the Google Maps. So pretty much the ETA shows to be 4 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, so far we are ahead of Google. So yeah, thankfully we've been maintaining good speeds, been maintaining over 100 plus on the highways, and state highway, of course, you can't go 100 plus, but yeah, maintaining decent speeds, and we should be getting there soon.